Hey, and welcome back to Rami's Bar. Today we're going to be doing Moscow Mule. We're going to be doing three variations of it: the classic, the Mexican, possibly my favorite, and then a cranberry one. It's a Cranberry Mule, and it's a good introduction to holiday drinks that we're going to be starting doing soon, especially with the holidays coming up. So glad 2020 is over, or almost over. Let's do this. Alright, so we're going to start with the classic. Everybody needs to know how to do Moscow Mule. And it's very simple. First of all, we're going to add our ice into our cup. We're going to be mixing our drink within the cup itself today. And then we're going to add half a lime. We're going to squeeze half a lime into our drink. We're going to follow up with 2 ounces of your vodka. And for vodka, you can use any brand, honestly, just because it's a Moscow Mule. Backstory: the Moscow Mule was created because somebody had a lot of ginger beer and a lot of vodka that nobody wanted to drink, and he just mixed it together and he sold that. That's what I heard. So 2 ounces of vodka, and then we're gonna follow up with 4 ounces of your ginger beer. Afterwards, you're gonna mix gently. Very end, we're gonna garnish with a little bit of mint, and then a lime wedge. You can do a lime wheel. I'm just saving my limes for the 3 drinks that we're doing today. And finally, we're going to use a straw. And there you have it, a Moscow Mule. Yep, typical Moscow Mule. On to the next one. The second drink for the day is the Mexican Mule. I personally have not tried it, but I'm suspecting it's going to be my favorite just because the fact of adding ginger beer with lime and then tequila instead of vodka. It's going to give it that nice kick at the end that I personally enjoy tequila more than vodka. First of all, add the ice. Then we're going to need half a lime again. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of your tequila. And then finally, 4 ounces of the ginger beer. Now, I say 4 ounces, but really you can just top it off. But I'm trying to be precise over here. And then for garnish, same thing. Your mint leaves, and then a lime wedge or a lime wheel. And then of course we're going to use a stainless steel straw. You can use a straw to mix your drink because we forgot to do that. Should have done that before. So just gently mix your drink in the cup. The Mexican Mule. Let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, yeah. That tequila is my tequila vodka any day of the week. This is by far, so far, my favorite mule, the Mexican Mule. Let's try the last one for today, the Cranberry Mule. Alright, it's time for the third and final drink of today's episode, the Cranberry Mule. We're going to do exactly the same way we did the other 2 drinks. We're going to mix it inside the cup, and then we're going to start by doing the same thing by adding our ice. First ingredient though, the usual, the half a lime. There we have it. Then we're going to follow up with 2 ounces of cranberry juice. And then we're going to follow with 2 ounces of vodka. Of course, it's going to be vodka because vodka plays nice with other ingredients so it doesn't overtake the taste. However, if you do like tequila, or in this case, I would suggest mezcal, it would give it a nice kick. But we're going to sit with vodka. And then finally, we're going to add 2 ounces of beer. I think we have enough for this. Then we're going to gently swirl and mix the ingredients together. And then for garnish, not only are we going to use a lime wedge and mint, but we're also going to use cranberries. So we're going to start off with garnishing with a lime wedge. Then we're going to add some mints. And then finally, for that picture perfect moment, some cranberries. There you have it, Cranberry Mule. Definitely lighter than the other 2. It's not my favorite. However, if you do not like ginger beer, this is the one you want to go with, just because it's half the amount of ginger beer. And actually, you can do the same thing with the other 2 drinks. You can decrease the amount of ginger beer, but you're going to need to add much more ice because your drink is going to be very, very small. And I do like the way it looks. I absolutely love it, actually. With the cranberries, it just complements the whole drink. With the mints and the lime, it just looks beautiful, looks cheerful. It's about time we use that in 2020 for sure. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Please let me know down below in the comments which one you liked most between the 3 Moscow Mule variations that we did. Don't forget to subscribe and like this episode if you really enjoyed it. Share with everybody you know. Let's get this holiday started. Cheers. Yeah, the Mexican Mule.